y'all, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Lyssa, and today we're going to be making a strawberry cheesecake icebox cake. And this is a really easy recipe. So for it, you're going to need some graham crackers. I got cinnamon sugar graham crackers, but you can use the regular ones. Almond or vanilla extract, strawberries. Blackberries is optional. I had them, so I'm gonna use them. Some strawberry glaze. They usually have this in the fruit section at the grocery store. And a pack of cream cheese. 2 packs of whipped topping. I got the cheap kind. It really doesn't matter. Sugar. Milk or cream of some sort just to thin out our cream cheese. But anyway, that's all the ingredients. Let's move on to the next step. All right, so for the first step, which is really the main step, we're gonna make our cheesecake filling. And I have in our bowl a room temperature piece of cream cheese. And to that, I'm just gonna add a couple drops of almond extract, which is again optional. And I'm gonna put just like the smallest sprinkle of salt because I feel like all dessert needs a little salt. And to loosen up this cream cheese, I'm just gonna put in like a tablespoon of milk just to start. I want it to be smooth enough to mix inside of our whipped topping. So just press that into the bowl. And I'm gonna mix this up and come back and show y'all the end result. All right, so off camera, I added 1 more tablespoon of milk so I can get it to like a smooth consistency. Like I said, I don't want it to be watery. I just wanted it to be smooth enough to mix in with our whipped topping. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and add in about 1/3 cup of sugar. So mix that in. All right, so that's nice and smooth. And I'm gonna take 1 of our whipped toppings and I'm gonna mix that. I'm gonna put the whole thing inside. All right, so just lightly mix this up. You wanna just fold it. Ooh. You do not want to mix it too hard. All right, so this is the cheesecake filling. We're gonna move on to the next step now. All right, just real quick, before I slice up all the strawberries, I just wanted to show y'all how to make a little strawberry garnish to go on top. So it's really simple. All you do is just slice the strawberry down, but not all the way to the base, and just do like 5 slices. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I did 5. And so after you do those slices, you can just spread it out like a fan, like that. And then just dip it. In the glaze. So you got a little garnish now. All Alright, so I got everything prepared and I went ahead and started the process by layering the pan with like 5 graham crackers and then spreading some of our filling on top. And I'm just gonna show you again how I'm layering the graham crackers. And it's okay if some of the graham crackers are overlapping. Some of these all broke up and stuff. All right, so that first layer is just graham cracker, the cheesecake filling, and graham cracker. Now, on top of that, just dump all that, I don't care. All right. Here we go. On top of that, I'm gonna put the last, this is like the the last half of our cheesecake filling. So I'm gonna just spread this out evenly over the graham crackers. As evenly as I can get it anyway. And now, at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and put some of our strawberries. And these don't have to be any particular way. I'm gonna use like half of them because we want to use some of these to garnish the top. So, all right. Now, on top of that, I'm gonna put some more graham crackers. And like I said, these don't have to be any particular way, but you want them to be kind of uniform. All right, so now on top of these, I'm gonna take that other container of our whipped topping, and we're gonna just put the whole thing on top. So just try to spread it as evenly as possible over the top. All right. So try to spread it. And now, after you spread it, this part is just pretty much decoration. So, the glaze, you really don't need the glaze, but I got it because I feel like it makes it look pretty. So, you can, you know, decorate it however you want. But anyway, so what I'm gonna do with the glaze is I'm gonna make some little strawberry flavored swirls with the glaze. So, shut up. Anyway, I'm just put a few little dollops. Not in any particular fashion. All over my Icebox cake. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take a fork and just kind of swirl the glaze around like this. So it's kind of like a marble effect. All right. And now I'm just gonna top it off with some more berries. And then you remember those little berry garnishes I showed y'all how to make? I'm gonna put those on there. All right. So I'm gonna just sit these on top, and that is the end result of our Icebox cake. So what you want to do at this point is just leave it in the refrigerator for about 4 or 5 hours to set up, and then you can serve it just like this. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like this video, and thanks for tuning in to Cooking with Lyssa. Thank you.